Let's get it.
And of course, he goes for the full ball. Get around it.
There you go,
There
Dylan.
you go.
Coach him.
Pressure.
You're on belly.
Go for that mount. Or the arm bar. Relax. Work on getting that foot out.
Just breathe, buddy.
Keep your base.
He's better than both of us, and we're trying to coach him. Oh, nice. You tap? I guess so.
Nice, Dylan. See, it worked.
Bravo. Is that Bravo? Bravo? All right, then.
I didn't get
Just
a picture.
how do
My
you
phone
hit?
is toast.
What is this? Just stop it. All right.